We are in the age of ransomware attacks. Let's assume that you were attacked by ransomware and your primary storage is encrypted. Let's further assume that the hackers took control of either the backup application or access to your backup storage and deleted all the backups as well. If the backups were stored on low-cost disk or on deduplication appliances, the backup data is gone and there is no way to recover. ExaGrid sits behind over 25 backup applications and utilities and has a unique backup storage architecture with 2 tiers. The first tier is a disk cache landing zone for fast backups and fast restores. The second tier is a non-network facing tier that stores all of the long-term retention backup data. Since the second tier is non-network facing, the delete requests only impact the ExaGrid front-end disk cache landing zone, which creates a tiered air gap. In addition to the stored long-term backup retention, any delete requests are delayed in the long-term repository tier for a specified period of time. As a result of this delayed delete approach, the data remains in the repository tier ready for recovery. This approach is called retention time lock. In addition, all deduplicated objects are immutable, which means they are never deleted or changed. If encrypted data is deduplicated into the repository, it does not change, modify, or delete the previous data objects, ensuring that all data before the encryption event is ready to restore. ExaGrid is the only solution that has a second tier that is non-network facing, delayed deletes, and also has immutable data objects. Delete requests are not processed immediately, providing IT departments with weeks to recover from a ransomware attack. Delay delete times are set by a secured policy. Be ready to recover with ExaGrid's retention time lock.